In this video, I'll put you through on how to scan any file you downloaded from the internet, okay, for virus. All right. You know, the problem is not downloading the file. It's when you want to open it that any virus inside that file will spread. Sometimes it may log you out of your email address, or it may lock your PC, and that becomes a problem. So let's get started. First is to open your File Explorer. So look at my File Explorer here. I'll click on it. Then navigate to where you save the file. I'll click on Downloads in this case. Then I'll scroll down until I get to this folder where I have the file. Double click on it. I'll look at the file I downloaded from the internet. So right click on the file. Then select Show More Options. Then select Scan with Microsoft Defender. And Microsoft Defender has scanned this file, and it shows that there is no problem with it. Okay, no threats, no current threats, meaning that it's safe to use. And it's as simple as that.